In the quiet of the night, when the stars shimmer bright, you're the one who holds me tight, everything feels alright. With a band strum and a fiddle hum, you're my guiding light. Through the ups and the downs, you're the one that I'm around. When tears roll down my cheeks and I'm feeling weak, you're the one who speaks in a language only we see. In the hills and the meadows I find solace and release. With your gentle melodies you bring my soul some peace. Through it all, through thick and thin, through the joy and through the pain, I'll always be there for you, and I know you'll do the same. Our love is like a mountain, solid and standing tall. In this emotional bluegrass melody, you'll hear my call.